Oh no, I wasted 2 hours on my phone again.
Really? That happens to me too.
Hmm, I wanted to study, but I just kept scrolling.
Scrolling is a big problem today.
Yes, and then I feel bad. I feel tired and unproductive.
Oh no, that feeling is the worst.
Today, we will talk about how to stop wasting time and stay focused.
Wow, that is very useful for daily English conversation and real life.
Yes, and this is also great for English listening practice and English speaking practice.
Many people want to learn English, but they waste time.
Exactly. So let's talk about a real situation. Yesterday, I planned to study English for 1 hour.
Okay, good plan.
But then I checked my phone.
Oh no.
First, I watched one short video.
Just one? I don't believe that.
Yes, not just one. Then I watched another and another.
And then 1 hour is gone.
Exactly. 1 hour gone.
This is a very common problem.
Yes, many people say, I don't have time.
But actually, they have time.
They just waste it.
That's true.
Now let's talk about why this happens.
Yes, why do we waste time?
First, our brain likes easy things.
Oh, that makes sense.
Watching videos is easy, studying is harder.
Yes, studying needs focus.
Exactly. So our brain chooses the easy way.
Oh, wow, that is interesting.
Second, we don't have a clear plan.
No plan means no direction.
Yes, we just sit and think, what should I do?
And then we pick the phone.
Exactly.
So what can we do?
Good question. Let's talk about simple tips. Tip number 1, control your phone.
Oh, that is hard.
Yes, but we can try. Tip number 1, put your phone far away.
Not on the table?
No, put it in another room.
Wow, that is strong.
Yes, out of sight, out of mind.
That's interesting.
Repeat after me. I will control my phone.
I will control my phone.
Good. Tip number 2, use the 5-minute rule.
What is that?
Just start for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
Oh, that feels easy.
Exactly. When you start, you continue.
Starting is the hardest part.
Yes, that is the secret. Repeat after me. I will start for 5 minutes.
I will start for 5 minutes.
Very good. Tip number 3, make a simple plan.
Simple plan is better than no plan.
Exactly. For example, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking.
Oh, that is easy English learning.
Yes, easy English for beginners.
I like that.
Repeat after me. I have a simple plan.
I have a simple plan.
Good. Job. Now let's do a small speaking practice.
Oh, nice. I love practice.
Say this with me. I will not waste time.
I will not waste time.
I will stay focused.
I will stay focused.
I will study English today.
I will study English today.
Wow, very good.
I feel motivated now.
Haha, me too. But wait, sometimes we still feel tired.
Oh, yes. What should we do then?
Good question. When you feel tired, take a short break.
Break is okay.
Yes, rest is not wasting time.
Oh, wow, that is important.
But don't stop completely.
Small rest, then continue.
Exactly. Say this with me. I will take a short break.
I will take a short break.
Then I will continue.
Then I will continue.
Perfect. Now let's talk about a small habit.
Oh, habits are important.
Yes, do the same thing every day.
Ah, daily routine.
Exactly. For example, study English at the same time.
Like every day at 7 p.m.?
Yes, perfect.
That makes it easier.
Yes, your brain learns the habit.
Wow, that is powerful.
Repeat after me. I study every day.
I study every day.
I build good habits.
I build good habits.
Very nice. Now imagine this. You sit to study, your phone is far away, you start for 5 minutes.
And then you continue.
Yes, you feel focused.
That feels good.
You don't waste time.
And you improve your English.
Exactly.
Let's continue from where we stopped. You were trying the 5-minute rule, right?
Yes, and wow, it really works. I told myself, just study English for 5 minutes, and then I studied for 30 minutes.
Exactly. That is the power of a small start. When you begin, your brain becomes active.
So the problem is not starting, right? Not the work itself?
Yes, starting is the hardest part. That is why we waste time.
Oh no, that is so true. I always say, I will start later.
And later becomes never.
Yes, never.
So here is another tip. Tip number 4. Make your environment clean and simple.
Wait, environment? You mean my room?
Yes, your room, your desk, your space. If your space is messy, your mind is messy.
That's interesting. So a clean space helps focus?
Exactly. When you sit in a clean place, you feel calm. You feel ready to work.
Oh, I understand now. Sometimes my desk is full of books, papers, and snacks.
Snacks are dangerous.
Yes, and then I scroll my phone, and then no work.
That's how we waste time.
So what should we do?
Keep only what you need. For example, your notebook, your phone for learning, and maybe water.
Ah, simple space, simple mind.
Yes. Let's practice a sentence. Repeat after me. I keep my study space clean.
I keep my study space clean.
Good. Again. I keep my study space clean.
I keep my study space clean.
Very nice.
I feel motivated already.
That's great. Now, tip number 5. Remove distractions.
Oh, phone again.
Yes, phone is the biggest distraction.
Oh no, that's my problem.
Many people have this problem.
So what can we do?
Simple. Put your phone away or use it only for English learning.
That is hard.
Yes, but possible. You can also turn off notifications.
Oh, that's a good idea. No notifications, no distraction.
Exactly. Let's make a sentence. Repeat after me. I turn off my phone notifications.
I turn off my phone notifications.
Good. Again. I turn off my phone notifications.
I turn off my phone notifications.
Perfect.
I think I can do that today.
That's the spirit.
You know, I feel something now. I feel like I am not lazy.
Yes, you are not lazy. You just need a better system.
Wow, that makes me feel better.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about small steps every day.
Small steps. I like that.
Now, tip number 6. Build a simple daily routine.
Routine, like a plan?
Yes, a daily plan. For example, morning, study 10 minutes. Afternoon, practice speaking.
Oh, very simple.
Yes, not big, not heavy, just simple and consistent.
Consistency is important, right?
Exactly. Consistency means doing something every day.
Ah, even small practice is okay?
Yes, even 5 minutes is okay.
That makes learning easy.
Yes, let's practice. Repeat after me. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Again, I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Very good.
I feel more confident now.
That's great. Now let's think. What did we learn today?
We learned about focus. We learned about time.
Yes, and we learned simple steps.
Like 5-minute rule.
Yes, clean space
Remove distractions.
and daily routine.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but simple.
Listeners, what about you? Do you waste time on your phone?
Oh, good question. Tell us in the comments.
And try one small step today.
Yes, just one step.
I will start today.
Me too. Let's stay focused together.
And keep learning English together.
Yes, this is your English learning podcast
For English listening practice.
and English speaking practice
And easy English conversation.
for English for beginners.
So don't forget,
Like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and practice every day.
See you soon.
Keep learning.
Keep improving.